JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Suwanee, Georgia today. This customer found us online. It's a 5-area basement. It's a Berber carpet. There's not anything really to see. Visually, it's in pretty good shape, but we are going to clean and just so like I said, it's about 11:15. We'll get started on this, and won't be anything to say for that video, but we'll shoot it anyway. Just finish up this $200 job. As you can see, or rather not see, there's not much to see, which is what I said, before we started. It'd be nice if all of our jobs were this easy. It looks like a dark spot, but it's a shadow from the light. Probably only used about 2 gallons of citrus cleaner. So overall, very profitable job. If there were spots, as always, they're included. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. As long as you pay by cash or check, that's exactly what we quote. If we pay by debit or credit card, there is a 3% charge, which is what they charge us. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business, so we're happy to help you out with that. So if you're a veteran or a firefighter, we have special links for that. omgfloorcare.com/veteran. Or excuse me, veterans. omgfloorcare.com/veterans. And /firefighters if you're a firefighter. So we have special offers for you guys, because we do appreciate what you do and what you did. They are with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. Thank you for watching. And as always, be kind.